flat. Look at him. Booty flat. Booty flat. Oh, you got. Oh, you got him here. You got him.
What you doing?
Oh, wait, flexing. What's it, yeah? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Look, hold on. Look, yo, look at me. Terrible, bro.
Hey, you was in the car?
Huh?
You was in the car?
Yeah, I'm chilling. I had to turn the camera on for y'all real quick. Like, this a whole vlog. But look, he met Playboy Cardi yesterday. Fleet, what you just say, bro?
Bro, the nigga smelled good.
He just said Playboy Cardi smelled good.
Bro.
Out of all the things bro could have said, he said, bro, I can't even count.
Bro, I smelled that nigga like 11 o'clock at night still. I was like, yo, this nigga really smelled good.
I'm a dope boy, got my beep on. Mercedes, what I see, no smoking big bun just like Chichon. I came out with my heat on. Now we can. He said, look wrong, put back on my back, don't look back, crack so real fast, strap that Foco, day trail, bitch, not a bad Sachi, foot class, my black fashion, Pico. Hey, team up, team up.
What the fuck?
We good, bro. 011. Check your ticket. 011. 011.
Good shot. Bang.
Oh, we winning, bro. Oh, yes, that first one was trash, bro. Yeah, so look, I'm like about to post this video like right now, but I'm probably gonna put this clip like right after. But yeah, that was a $400 bowling tournament, and our team won. Me, Fleet, Camp, and dang, I forgot other dude name. But yeah, we won $400, which is like $100 a piece. It ain't that, but we nice. So if y'all wanna see us in bowling, y'all know where to find us. You feel me? What's good, y'all? Wavy Kings TV back with another video, and this is probably at the end of the video. Like, I'm probably actually reviewing this at the end of the video because if I didn't put in a recap from this weekend, then y'all just gonna see it another day. But I just got this quick little review for y'all. It's not gonna be an on foot up here because yeah, I don't like these, and I'm gonna get rid of these, so I'm about to just keep these clean as possible. But real quick, let me show y'all size 11. Even though I normally wear 11.5, I didn't really care because I know I'm not gonna keep these. But as y'all see by the box, y'all know it dropped this past weekend. You got the Platinum Tint Jordan 11. Like always, I have B-roll rolling for y'all. But just a quick little review of the shoe. I mean, me personally, I don't like it. Jordan 11s are probably my favorite Jordan model, if not the 1s, 3s, or the 12s. But that don't have nothing to do with nothing. I don't like this. Like, I don't know. And it's not even just the fact that this part right here is not patent leather. Like I said, I have B-roll going for y'all so y'all be able to actually see. But it's like nubuck, and I just don't like it. Like even just the red, like little stripe right here. Like yeah, it's cool to add a little bit more color to the shoe, but it just I don't know. Like I'm not feeling these. Now my favorite part about this shoe is the soles. Like these milky soles like this. Like I really do like these. And the shoe is not that bad. Like if you I don't know. If you like them, then you like them. But the shoe, to me, is not really like all that, especially for the price. $220 for these, and with Virginia tax, these was what $230, $340, something like that, something crazy like that. But yeah, like I said, I won't be keeping these. These are size 11, but it's not really too much to the shoe. It's literally just like a all like milky with like some red hits. Like it's just an all milky shoe with a red hit. You got the red Jumpman, you got the red 23 on the back right there. Y'all can see that it's a red 23 on the back. Then you got the red Jordan Jumpman at the bottom. You got all black carbon fiber and no black and red like on the red 11s. And You got the red and black third spacing. I don't know. I just don't like it. Like, if y'all can't tell, I'm not really excited to be shooting this video. Like, I really don't. Not a big fan of these, to be honest with you. That's why it's not gonna be an on foot about this video, because I'm trying to just keep these clean so I can get rid of these. But yeah. Oh yeah, y'all see I'm back in the old setup just for this one video. And yeah, Fleet not in this video, but he don't like these either. And we normally be agreeing, but yeah, we don't like these. So yeah, like I said, I have B-roll planned for y'all to just so y'all just don't have to sit here and watch me talk the whole time. But hopefully, Keyshawn, please edit in before this video recap of the weekend. Yeah, we went bowling and did whole bunch of other stuff. But these are still sitting in stores. I got these from Jimmy Jazz. They still had them in Foot Locker. They still had them in Foot Action. They sitting online like everywhere. So yeah, this shoe is not hard to get. Like, if you want this shoe, you can still go get the shoe right now. It's just me personally. I'm just not a big fan of it. Which it's not a knock to the shoe. This will probably be a shoe when I get to the point where I want to get with YouTube, and I could just get all the shoes that I want. Like, I want to collect every Jordan 11. It's just right now, this is not the one that I absolutely need in the collection at the moment. Y'all feel what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, this is just a quick little review for y'all, a quick little look at these Jordan 11 Platinum Tints. I did get them. I will be selling these. So yeah, that's really it. That's really all. Oh, and depending on what your state tax is, y'all can actually go get these off of StockX for cheaper than what like your state is selling them for, like what the store near you is selling them for. Like, for example, my size, which is actually 11 and a half, they have them on StockX for like $205, $13 shipping. So you're looking at like $218 versus $230. You feel me? So that's a quick little tip for y'all if y'all want to do that. But if not, hey, cool, do what y'all want to do. Like I said, not a big fan of this shoe. Don't really like it too much. I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll. And yeah, that's it. That's all. I'll see y'all in the next video. I did get the Yeezy 700, the mauve colorway. I got them off of Yeezy Supply, which I shouldn't have. I should have got them off of Adidas. I would have got them faster. But it say my package is supposed to be here Friday. So Friday, if they do come, I'll have that video for y'all up by Friday. So yeah, I'll let y'all know what's going on. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at @KeyRon_. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, keep liking my videos, and keep sharing them. And I'm out. I'll see y'all on Friday.